I have 2 to 3 points to tell, sir. First thing is, I have given quite considerable number of attempts in UPSC previously, but only this year I understood I have never been serious in preparation. I have just compiled bundles of notes. I just used to have that overconfidence that self-preparation is sufficient. I have never got an opportunity to sort some responsible guidance also. So this 1 year I have been reasonably consistent. That is one thing. Second and third thing, what important thing is, you in this last 60 days I had some major that I remember that how the UPSC wants to test in a civil services examination a candidate that Bhavabhuti question. They could have strictly asked us which was the work of Bhavabhuti, but if the question, just I'm telling an example. So it was playwright in the question and the names of this options also. The answer could be derived. The answer is very much before our eyes, and it is not random fact checking or anything. Some insight is given already to the candidate, whether we are able to work out. That is one important thing I understood. And when after you told me this, then when I got back to PYQs, I see them differently totally. It is not just one line or 1.5 line. I'm going through, okay, this is the answer. No, what the clue or what the thing UPSC actually had fed into that question, what options they have tuned into this. So, what are the areas they trap? What are the areas we can escape the trap? I'm trying to work. I'm viewing PYQs in that aspect. One thing, sir. Second thing is regarding that answering which you told, because in my previous attempts, I thought this is purely like we know we get marks, we don't know we get marks. So I just used to start with the first question by 25 or 30 questions. That will I'll come up, okay, this attempt we are not going to do or something, and the entire thing will be like a collapse. So this time, every model test and thing, I followed what you told, that 1 to 100 I first went for a go. Whatever be it, whether it was 30 questions or whether it was 60 questions, I calmed myself and went 1 to 100 once, and sure shot I answered it. Then I came to the second round, and then I came to the third round, so that I was clear which 15 questions I'm not going to touch. It was not random, because earlier times what I used to do was I used to go from 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the 10th question, I would lose my confidence or whatever the thing is. It will be reflected even the simple questions which I have no. Each attempts, I'm not having any hesitancy to tell. In my each attempts, I have lost between 1 to 5 marks was the cutoff I had to lose. But when I come back and realize almost if I had worked it properly in the 2 hours, definitely every question papers were like 90 to 110 was doable for me, but I was not able to do. This year I have realized that. So this is more than sitting and shading exam. This is something psychological. What you told. So it needs a mindset. It needs an attitude change. That is an important update. I mean, a changeover within me. So these 2 points are very much a particular. The questions UPSC frames and what we are actually supposed to look into that, and the way we have to answer in the exam hall with the question paper. Thank you for that.
Thank you very much.